Hi everyone. Welcome back to Gear and Grips. Today, we're checking out the 2025 Wuling Confero, a budget-friendly MPV that offers practicality, comfort, and great value for money. If you're looking for an affordable family car with plenty of space and features, stay tuned. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Wuling Confero has received some stylish updates, giving it a more modern and dynamic look. At the front, we get a redesigned grille with chrome accents, sharp-looking LED daytime running lights, and an updated bumper that adds a sporty touch. The side profile remains simple yet functional, with sliding doors for easy access. At the rear, new combination taillights and a refreshed bumper complete the look. Overall, it's an MPV with a practical yet stylish design that fits well in both urban and suburban environments. Moving inside, the Wuling Confero offers a spacious and comfortable cabin. It comes in both 7- and 8-seater configurations, making it perfect for larger families or those who need extra passenger space. The seats are well cushioned, and the top variant even gets synthetic leather upholstery for a more premium feel. The dashboard features an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with USB and Bluetooth connectivity, so you can easily connect your phone for music and navigation. Rear passengers aren't left out either. Thanks to the AC double blower, everyone stays cool and comfortable during long drives. Now, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the Wuling Confero is powered by a 1.5L petrol engine, delivering 107 horsepower and 142 Nm of torque. It's paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, providing a smooth and efficient driving experience. While it's not the most powerful MPV out there, it's more than capable of handling daily commutes and family road trips. The fuel efficiency is also a plus, making it a cost-effective choice for budget-conscious buyers. Safety is another area where Wuling has made improvements. The Confero is equipped with ABS and EBD for better braking performance, dual front airbags for added protection, and a tire pressure monitoring system to keep your journeys safe. It also features a rear parking camera with clear visibility, making parking in tight spots much easier. With seatbelt indicators extending to the third row, Wuling has ensured that safety remains a priority for all passengers. Now, let's talk about the most important factor, the price. The 2025 Wuling Confero starts at around 185.3 million Indonesian rupiah in Indonesia, making it one of the most affordable MPVs in its class. If you opt for the Confero S variant, prices range from 207.7 million Indonesian rupiah to 232.3 million Indonesian rupiah, depending on the model and features you choose. For the amount of space, features, and reliability you're getting, it's a great deal. So, is the Wuling Confero the right MPV for you? If you need a spacious, practical, and budget-friendly family car, this one is definitely worth considering. It offers good value for money, a comfortable cabin, and decent safety features at an affordable price. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Wuling Confero. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Would you consider buying this MPV? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gear and Grips for more car reviews and automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.